Welcome back to this channel where I solve simple yet tricky math problems. This time we are given a triangle with a triangle inside of it. So we have an external triangle and an internal triangle. We know that we are given length YP is equal to length PZ. So these two lengths are equal. And we are given angle P here, XPY is 48, and angle PXZ is 16, and we are asked to find T. I'm going to solve that in maybe 5 steps. Solution. In step 1, we are going to use the straight angle property to determine this angle. And this angle would be angle XPZ would be equals to 180 minus 48 degrees, and that will be equals to 132 degrees. So this becomes 132 degrees. Now, while we're here, let's find angle Z here, where angle XZP would be equals to 180 minus 132 minus 16, which is equals to 32 degrees. So we know that this is 32 degrees. So step 2, let's draw a line from P intersecting the line XZ and call that W, such that the length of PZ is equal to the length of WZ. These are equal. So if these two lengths are equal, that means that this angle is 32 degrees because this becomes an isosceles triangle. Now, if we concentrate on this triangle, we can find angle PWZ is equals to PZW, which is equals to 32, and angle WPZ, which is this angle, will be equal to 180 minus 32 minus 32, and that would be equals to 116 degrees. Step 2. Let's move on to step 3. And let's concentrate on this triangle. Therefore, angle XPW will be equal to 132 minus 116, that equals to 16 degrees. So therefore, this is 16 degrees. So if this is 16 and this is 16, then those two angles are equal. that making this triangle isosceles triangle. In step number 4, let's draw a line from W to Y, and that would form triangle YWP. So we'll concentrate now on this triangle. So we know that angle YPW would now be equals to 48 plus 16, which equals to 64 degrees. Now, since this line and this line are equal, so since YP is equals to PW, this triangle is isosceles. Therefore, angle YWP is equals to angle PYW, and that will be equals to 180 minus 64 divided by 2, and that will be equals to 58 degrees. So this becomes 58 degrees, and that becomes 58 degrees. Step 5. Let's concentrate on this triangle, which is triangle XYW. Therefore, angle XWY will be equals to 180 minus 58 minus 32, and that will be equals to 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees. So if this is 90 degrees, but we also know that this length and this length is also equal from previous calculations. Therefore, if length of XW equals to WY, triangle XWY is isosceles, then angle WXY is equals to angle XYW. Let's move on to this side where so therefore angle XYW, which is equal to angle WXY, and that will be equals to 180 minus 90 divided by 2, which equals to 45 degrees. Now we can find T. We can now find T because angle WXY which is equals to 45 degrees, which is equals to t plus 16 degrees. So the t therefore equals to 45 minus 16, and t is equals to 29 degrees. This is the complete solution to find t. If you are interested or amazed by solutions like this, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and let's keep on solving more tricky math problems. Thank you.